Welcome to the phase in creation. We are going to solve the fingerprint scanner problem. First, let me show you my fingerprint, which is not working and having error. Close the Windows Hello and try again. You can see it's not working. To solve this problem, first go to the Windows button and press right-click and go to Device Manager. Then go to the biometric option and press right-click and go to the Properties. Go to Power Management option and uncheck this option and click on OK button. After this settings, we are going to try to add fingerprint. I am swiping the finger but not going forward, and the important part is the error is not there. Let's close and try again. Now you can see this is working and we have successfully added our fingerprint. If your fingerprint still not working, make sure if your Windows and drivers are updated. Thank you.